Horses out, we have Color My World fast to begin rushing about Ias and now racing eagerly for the lead is Dancing Flower, the leader by Oralenque Hapa. Haywire in second, and in third Telenovela, and on the outside New Golden City, Color My World, Royal Ares and Rocky Peller is the early trailer. We have Dancing Flower by Oralenque, and on the outside is Haywire. 6 lengths away in third Telenovela, New Golden City now to take fourth. Color My World is racing in fifth, Royal Ares and Rocky Peller. Dancing Flower, Haywire now takes the lead. It's now Haywire by a length. Dancing Flower drives back in second. New Golden City now trying to get closer in third. Color My World in fourth. Royal Ares, Telenovela and Rocky Peller. And it's still Haywire by about 3 lengths. And in second position, Dancing Flower. Then here comes New Golden City together with Color My World in fourth. Haywire, New Golden City, sorry outside Color My World. Rocky Peller, Dancing Flower. Now we have New Golden City takes the lead, moving up. Color My World on the outside. New Golden City, Color My World. Rocky Peller is down on the inside. New Golden City, Rocky Peller. Color My World is on the outside. New Golden City, Color My World is on the outside. And finally, Color My World. Close, New Golden City, number 3, Rocky Peller.
Color My World.